Welcome back. Now we are observing cloudy conditions in the Western Caribbean this evening. We have that frontal system just towards the south of the island extending across Hispaniola and out into the Atlantic. But there is that prefrontal trough that is across the Western Caribbean with a broad area of clouds affecting sections of Cuba and also sections of the Cayman Islands. Now we're expecting movement with this system further towards the east, and it's expected to be just east of Jamaica early in the morning on Saturday. Over the open waters of the southern and eastern Caribbean, stable conditions persist. We also have slight drying and stronger winds are also across sections of the southern Caribbean. Now, the forecast for tonight is for partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. We're expecting some isolated showers mainly across sections of St. Anne and Trelawney. However, elsewhere we're expecting it to be generally fair. Winds are about 5 knots from the north on the south coast, and they are from the southeast at 5 knots on the north coast. While for temperatures, Kingston, the low temperature is expected to reach 24 Celsius, and temperatures drop to 23 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now in the morning tomorrow, you can expect partly cloudy conditions with some isolated showers across the northeast. For the afternoon, there are isolated showers still in the forecast, especially across sections of central and western parishes. Temperatures 29 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 28 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy skies across the area. Isolated showers are likely in the southwest in Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. Look for some partly cloudy conditions for most of the day in Montego Bay and some isolated showers in the morning in Falmouth. Elsewhere, look for partly cloudy skies as well. We do have an increase in clouds and shower activity across sections of Port Maria, Port Antonio, as well as Golden Spring and Bogwalk in the east. But further towards the west, most of our activity is likely in the late afternoon going into the evening in Grange Hill, also in Duncans and Cay Valley. Now, the next few days, increased clouds and showers are likely on Friday and on Saturday. The frontal system moves through the general area. On Sunday, expect partly cloudy conditions in the afternoon with isolated showers. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.